I'm with Dr. Carla Brady, who is the chair-elect of the Diversity Committee here at AASLD. Dr. Brady, welcome to the program.
Thank you for having me.
Tell me a little bit about what the committee does and what your goals are for this year.
Well, the Diversity Committee for the AASLD is a relatively new committee, and it was established with the goal of promoting diversity within the society and across various populations of persons who have liver disease. Our interest is in ensuring that there are underrepresented groups of individuals who are incorporated into the membership and into the educational activities of the organization. We also seek to promote diversity amongst the leadership of the AASLD as well. We do know that there are some health disparities amongst various populations of individuals, and this is inclusive of health disparities within liver disease. So our committee also seeks to promote an understanding about health disparities and how we can eliminate those disparities in liver disease.
So I know you're very busy here at the meeting, and I understand that you guys have several events. Tell us a little bit about the events that you have planned this week.
The Diversity Committee is sponsoring a diversity workshop which will take place on Monday here in the Convention Center. The workshop will start at 4:15 and will last until 6:15 in the evening. It will be an opportunity for us to highlight racial and ethnic disparities in hepatocellular carcinoma, liver transplantation, and viral hepatitis. There will also be a discussion about finding solutions to healthcare disparities in general. This will be an opportunity not only for the audience to hear about these disparities, but there'll be an opportunity for them to also participate with a question and answer session at the end of the workshop. And as a way to celebrate diversity within the AASLD, there'll be an opportunity after the workshop for participants to join us in a diversity reception, also taking place on Monday at 6:30 in the evening. And that will be held at the Marriott Marquis in Salon Rooms 5 and 6.
Tell me a little bit about what you want the rank and file AASLD member to know about your committee, and how can the average hepatologist contribute in this area?
So we want our committee to be a committee that can partner with other committees within the organization to ensure that the educational programming and that the work of the organization allows incorporation of various diverse populations of its membership. And we're seeking diversity not just amongst the physician and scientist membership, but also amongst trainees and advanced practice providers as well.
Well, thank you so much for joining us on the show today. Lots of exciting things from your committee this week, and I'm sure that everyone watching will be eager to participate.
Thank you so much for having us. We look forward to seeing everyone at our events.
AASLD TV has all the coverage you want from this year's conference. Be sure to check out all of our content, which is updated every single day here on YouTube during the Liver Meeting in San Francisco.